Most people use AI to make decisions. And that's exactly where problems start. Not because AI is bad, but because decisions work differently than tasks. AI is great at doing work, summarizing, organizing, generating options. But decisions are not about options. They're about responsibility. When you ask AI what to do, you quietly give up ownership. You stop saying, "I chose this," and start saying, "AI suggested it." That shift is small, but the consequences are big. Here's what happens over time. You stop trusting your judgment. You hesitate more. You double-check everything. Not because AI is wrong, but because you're no longer confident. AI doesn't remove uncertainty. It multiplies it. Every answer creates new branches, new possibilities, new doubts. And suddenly, making simple decisions feels harder than before. This is why some people say AI makes them slower. It's not the speed. It's the weight of choice. Good decision-making needs constraints, clear priorities, clear trade-offs, clear direction. AI doesn't know those. Only you do. Here's the right way to use AI for decisions. Never ask, "What should I do?" Ask, "What are the consequences of option A versus option B? What risks am I missing? What assumptions am I making?" Now AI becomes useful. Quick pause. If you want practical AI workflows that help you think clearer, not just faster, I share real systems in my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. Back to the point. Strong decision makers don't outsource thinking. They use AI as a mirror to reflect their reasoning, to expose weak logic, to test ideas under pressure. The goal isn't certainty. The goal is clarity. AI helps with clarity only if you bring intent. If you rely on AI to choose for you, you'll feel safe. But you'll also feel stuck. If you use AI to challenge your thinking, you'll feel uncomfortable. But you'll move forward faster. That's the trade-off. Comfort versus growth. AI doesn't choose for you. It amplifies the way you already think. So if AI makes decisions harder for you, it's not a failure. It's a signal. You're using it at the wrong level. AI should support decisions, not replace them. If you want to use AI without losing confidence in your choices, check the link in the description. I share systems there that keep you in control while still saving time. AI doesn't decide. You do. And that's the point.